What's up, Maniacs, and welcome to the unboxing of the Fastball Special. Just got this in yesterday, didn't have time to open it at night, but we're going to do this right now. Got three big-ass boxes to open up. So we're going to get started. We're going to get started with the first box. Don't know what's in this one. They're not really labeled, but, you know, 1, 2, 3. I don't see no labels on them to indicate what they are, but we're just going to unbox it, take them out piece by piece. Let's get this going. Gonna put my gloves on. Shout out to Cartel from Hell. No grease on my piece. Fuck that. If I can get these motherfuckers on. And let's get this going. First box is the top box. Let's see what we got in here. The boxes came out a little beat up, but you know, that's how the shipping goes. These mofos don't care about your shit, so they just throw it right in front of your doorway. Boom. Let's get this bad boy out. Long time waiting for this piece. I think it's been like 2 years to 3 years. But you know, hopefully it was all worth the wait. Move this over here. Get this going. I think this is gonna be massive. I mean, I think it towers like 32 to 35 inches. Got the top cover. It's got the black styrofoam, which is good that they're using this nowadays. Because that white one just freaking leaves everything, you know, a freaking mess, man. The little ass bubbles that it pops out of there, you know. But the black tape really helps out. And make sure you label, like, in case you want to repackage where your pieces are in. Or where they come, you know, what box they're going to be popping out of. Because if you want to resell these or anything, like with any statue, you always want to know where the pieces go back. So the next guy who gets it, you know, he's not shit out of luck. This top piece. Woo! Looking good. I think I have the base on this one. And I think this is the base. So we'll see. Get my other glove here. The nitty gritty. Getting down to the nitty gritty. Alright, first piece out of the box will be, let's see what we got here. Over here, and it looks like it's the Sentinel hand. It's well packaged, got a lot of these little, you know, black styrofoam all over it, keep it safe. But what? Yo, these pieces are huge. God damn. Holy moly, this is big. Wait till you guys see this thing. Holy, the hand is enormous. It's like a fucking king crab and shit. Holy moly. It is, it's like battle worn, you know what I mean? It's all busted up. I mean like broke. I mean like, you know, it's in battle, you know? It's been, the hand has been chopped off the Sentinel, you know what I mean? And Wolverine and Colossus are about to get their shit going. But whoa, fucking impressive, guys, impressive. Let me take this out and impress it. Oh shit. It's already broke, unfortunately. Damn it. I know it's too good to be true. But looks like one of the fingers is broke. So we'll see what else is going on here. But let me just take it out. I hate when that happens. Damn. Let's take it out so you guys can see the size of this thing. Holy moly. Look at this. Whew. Impressive. This thing is huge. Look at that. Look at this thing. Fuck. This is where it broke. Right there. Look at that. Bam! And it goes on a base. Looks like I got number 29. But, yo, that's not good. God damn, this is awesome. Holy shit. Whoever got this, dude, amazing. Amazing. I just came out. Oh, man. Fortunately. Whew. It popped. See that? God damn. Must took a lot, man. Fucking. Must have taken a lot to get this broken. You know what I mean? But overall, the piece is enormous. Ginormous! So we're gonna put it back in a box here because got to get that resolved. And it's pretty much, that's the hand. The hand is incredible. So let's put this back in here. Nice and slow. Keep that in there. Well, that's a bummer. The Sentinel hand, looks like one of the index finger is completely snapped off, and that sucks, man. But it is what it is. Unfortunately, these things happen, especially on this big piece. So we're gonna have to, fix it. There's also another piece here, which is, looks like it's just an add-on, part of the Sentinel. Put that back where it belongs. But I get bummed out when there's a piece broken, because then you have to deal with the shipping back and forth and take care of the issue. But it's all good, you know. In this hobby, things like that happen. So let's put all this stuff away, put it back like we got it, and then we'll just take care of it. You know what I mean? Easy schmeezy, not a big deal. When you got somebody good on the other end, resolving your issues, everything comes out normal. So we're gonna pop that in there, and pop that in there. These things are quite handy. They're like little giant foam pieces, and you kind of just like squeeze it in between the sheets, as they say, and then it protects the statue a little somewhat from moving about, so it doesn't get broken, that kind of deal. So we are good. The top goes here. There you go. That goes there. Top goes here. All right, that's that box. So we got that. We got that done. So that's the first box. First box, we got that. So let's put that over here. So now we're going to the second box. This one's a little bit more heavier than the other one, so I'm assuming it's probably Wolverine and Colossus, man. You know, I can't imagine the base being as heavy as the hand, because the hand was really heavy. So hopefully this is not that heavy, and we can do this. And hopefully all of this is good. But these boxes were pretty banged up, you know. I'm sure they've been thrown around. What would have been cool is if they had like the box, the styrofoam are actually smaller than the boxes, so there's a lot of moving and shifting around inside these boxes. They should have put like the side protectors on them to keep them from shifting, you know. That probably would have helped in keeping this stuff steady, because moving around just messes things up. I think it's the wrong side. Alright. Is there a way to open? Nope. Gotta flip it around. There's no open hatch on this thing right here. So let's just flip it around. Alright. Alright. Man, what also would have been nice if they put like the arrows which way's up, so we know like what side to open up first. I mean, simple stuff. Doesn't take much to think about it. Just do it. Super simple. Should have some Benny Hill music playing in the background. You know, just get this. Here we go. Part 2 coming at you. I'm not even going to take this one all off. I'm just going to cut this over here and leave this open. And what do we have here? Alright, so this will be, what do we have here? Damn! It's the base. What? Yo, this thing is ginormous. It really, really is. Woo! Damn, can't get no bigger than this. Holy moly. Let's check it, make sure there's no problem with it. We're going to take it out of the box and show you guys what we got here. Oh my God. This is big. This is big. This is big. Holy moly. Number 29. Again, number 29. I don't even know how to take this out. It's so big. Oh my God. Oh lordy lordy. Oh. Holy moly. Ha. Woo. This is awesome, guys. Awesome. Look how big this thing is. It's heavy. It's heavy and it's big. Fastball special on the bottom. I mean, this thing is heavy. Look at this. This has no issues on it. It's looking good. The base is heavy, man. It's like freaking man out of stone. Woo! Loving it. Alright. this is a keeper here, so I got to keep this one. So, man, woo, nice and gently. Make sure this is all good before I put it back, because unfortunately, with the breakage on the Sentinel hand, I'm not gonna be able to set this up and display it. You know, it's like if I did that, it'd be half-assed. You know, so. But woo, this is heavy. Oh man, I'm gonna tear it up. I'm gonna tear this apart reviewing this because I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. This is looking good. I am feeling it. Man, this came out beautiful. Beautiful. Make sure. Huh? What's this? Oh, man. All right. Another piece that came off, but this one's easily fixable. I'm just not glued in properly, so it's okay. It's all right with that one. You know, put this out of here. Put this back in. There you go. That slips right in there. So, yeah. All right. All right, we can do that. Not a big deal. Actually, I'm gonna take it out and put it right here, because yeah. So I'm gonna keep it out over there. That goes over there. Don't want to mess with it too much. Make sure everything's cool here. All right, so we're good with the second box. Second box is good. All the pieces, everything fits into place. Right? Okay, everything fits into place. And that fits right there. All right. Okay. All right. So we're not going to be messing with that, so I might as well take this off. And, yes. That is good. So far, so good. Put these pieces back on here so we don't mess with it. And we'll go on to the next box. And we're at box number 3. One box to go. Pretty much, this piece is looking really good, except for that minor breakage that I had with the Sentinel hand. Everything else is, the base is phenomenal. Heavy, it's huge. I'm loving that, I'm loving that. Now we're going to Wolverine and Colossus. Let's hope everything's cool with that, with this. So far, there's not too many pieces. You got the Sentinel hand, you got the base, which are, and then the Sentinel hand comes with an extra piece and an extra finger. But that's pretty much it. It's gonna be a 1, 2, 3, setting it up, which I like. I don't like too many. Oh snap! I'm digging this. I'm digging this. I'm digging this. The Fastball special. It comes with a box. It's boxed up with the name Fastball Special on it, and it looks really good. I like it. I like it. So we're gonna get it open, and so let's get this on. I maneuvered the box a little bit so I can pull it out. It comes with like these little protective edges for the edges, for the corners, so it doesn't like get totally screwed up during shipping. So that's a nice touch. A lot of companies are doing that nowadays just to protect the boxes and stuff. So it's gonna be interesting getting this out. It's got a nice got a nice vacuum seal, so it makes everything harder to take out, man. It's like opening up a can of pop. It goes boop. But let's get this out. Save these protective edges to rebox it, because unfortunately I have to put this on hold, setting it all up till I get the hand back. But let's hope that's the only issue. Come on. Here we go. Fastball special. It's almost like an XM box, but I like the design. And we got the logo of the producer. That's cool. Check it out. Check it. It's on both sides, that logo. But you know, it's a nice little touch. Especially, I'm trying to figure out how to set up like these type of boxes as display units. So we can do that. And it looks nice, you know. But space is a premium, man. This hobby hogs up a lot of space. Damn! Dudes, this looks unbelievable. I have to take a picture so I remember like where everything goes back. Highly recommend taking pictures when you unbox your stuff. So if you have to repackage it, you can put it back in its place. So let's see. Oh man, hope this is all looks intricate. Looks like, man, I hope it is all good. Some people got mad luck. Other people, not so much. Whew. Let's see what we got. Come on, baby. Hope you're not busted up. Alright, we're going to keep that in there for now. Let's take Colossus out. Oh, man. Oh, it's a thing of beauty. It's a thing of beauty. Surrounded by all these little pieces that keeps him tight and flush against in the packaging. So hopefully this did it. But man, guys, this is fantastic. Praying to the statue gods that it's a done deal. There's no issues with it. You know, those statue gods never hear me anyway. God damn it. Oh. Oh. Yeah, boy. I need some music in the background to get this popping. Just want to take him out nice and slow so I don't get burnt. So that goes there. Just trying to remember all these pieces goes like a freaking puzzle. Come on, everything's solid. It looks good, man. Here comes the reveal. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Woo, this bad boy is heavy. Come on. Where's that foot? Where's that foot? Where's that foot? Oh man, this is what? Oh my god. Guys, meet Colossus. Look at this thing. Incredible. Oh my god, the paint is beautiful on this. Look at this. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Don't drop it now. Come too far. Look at this. This motherfucker is heavy. Look at this guy. Ooh. Oh my god. I am so happy. I'm so happy. I'm a shit in my pants. Holy moly, this came out fantastic. Angry monkey. Oh my god. 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 Oh, damn. This is incredible. Now how do I put him back? Okay. Nice and easy. That's how you put him back. Nice and easy. Oh my god. All right. Let me take a picture of this bad boy. Let me take a picture of this bad boy. All right. Now let's go to the next guy. Next thing. What do we got here? We got... Whoa! Metal claws, baby. Metal claws. All right, man. They over-metaled it. No? Ah, god damn it. One of my claws a little bit bent, but hopefully I can straighten it out. All right. So far, so good. You know, when you collect statues, you want everything to be perfect. But it's understandable. Sometimes it can't all be like that. You know what I mean? So it's just the way it is. Okay. I mean, fuckers, man. Yeah, these are a little bit bent also. But, you know, Wolverine, a little bit. Man, these little gloves feel awesome. A little bit bent, you know, but nothing to worry about. Till I understand how to fix these, we'll just go with it for now. But yeah, man, it doesn't really fit in here, but it is what it is. We'll put those over here for now. It looks dope. The paint application is looking good, man. It's looking really good. That looks dope. Let's put that here. All right. So now the Wolverine. Oh, let's check this out. We got, I believe this is a head. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Woo, look at this guy. Holy moly. Number 29. Look at this. Oh, my beauty. Nice. This is really nice, man. Really nice. You got that. You got 2 Colossus heads. Just going over every piece, make sure there's no issues. Then if there are issues, I can take it up with the producer of the statue. You know, really cool cat. I mean, he commissioned this. This is, you know, wow, look at this one. He's grinning. All right, so that's 2 Colossus head, one with a grimace, and one just like, you know, normal. You know, almost like, I feel like talking like Colossus. But all right, so we got 2 of those. Let's go to Wolverine. Let's see what he's up to. Woohoo! Awesome character, the Wolverine character. You know what I mean? When he popped up on the Hulk 181, I think that's the issue. You know, nobody really thought anything of him. And then when they started to improve on his story, then you found out his background, the Weapon X program. You know, he was a mercenary during the World War II with a group of guys, including Sabretooth, who's supposed to be his brother, part of that crew. All right. Let's see how we're gonna take this guy out. Oh, the paint! I can't get over the paint app on this thing. Oh, come on to Papa, baby. Come on to Papa. Now we're talking. Oh man, dude, guys, look at this. This is really a sight to behold. Look at that. It's heavy. I don't know how. I mean, you know, engineering is probably going to balance out on the. It's going to balance out on the Colossus hand, but Fastball special. Who would ever thought? Who would ever thought we'd get this? Holy moly, dude! I can't believe the Paint app. When I review this, I'm gonna be all over this, like rye toast. Whatever the hell that means. Oh my god, this is like, holy shamoly. All right, we're gonna put that back. Like it. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, we got some. Got to take everything out actually because I want to make sure no more surprises. Nothing else is broke. You know. What the hell is this? Okay. Man, just it feels solid in your hand. You know, every piece is like well done, well crafted. Oh man. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we got a Wolverine head. Make sure. Ha ha ha. Woo! Man, I hope I don't have butterfingers and drop this, but check it. Fierce. This thing is fierce. That's one head. One head. Where's the one head? One head. One head. That was actually the mask portrait. Here is, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh man, here is the unmasked portrait. Beautiful. Oh man, this is fantastico. I love it, I love it. All right, so that's the Wolverine. Probably gonna display him with the, gotta display him with the mask portrait. I haven't seen any drawings of him where he's got his mask, where he doesn't have his mask on doing the Fastball special. But I'll probably research and see if that is the case. What else we got here? We got the Colossus arm. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I said a hip, hop, a hibbity hip bit. Whoa, nice. Here's his throwing arm. Seems to be a magnet here. There's a magnet on the hand, so I guess that's going to be where the foot, Wolverine's backhand, is going to go. But look at this thing. Huge. Huge. Very well done. Very heavy. Magnets are on point. So I wouldn't be able to tell you if there's any fitting issues, because I'm not going to put it together yet till I have all the pieces, you know what I mean? I'm not going to do a half-assed job with a broken piece. It just doesn't look right. Don't feel right. We'll put that bad boy over there. So that. And over here, what do we have here? I think it's part of the Sentinel. Let's just make sure every piece, there's no broken pieces. How do I get this out? Okay. Nice. Nice. So this looks good. Don't quite sure know what this is, but I guess it belongs to the Sentinel. Nice looking piece. It's like you got the key over there and the magnets. This looks like it's gonna be heavy popping. I like when the magnets go click and you get the idea. So let me put that in here. Gently, 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 gently. Alright. So that goes there and there. Put this back on here. Make sure there's no issues. Okay. So this has been it's got like indentations from this piece over here, So it looks like, man, freaking delivery guys, delivery companies, just jacking things up, man. Pet peeves is those cats. And over here we have another arm. The other arm of Colossus. Woo! These things look heavy. They feel heavy. Look at this beautiful thing. He's got the, you know, he's like, he's got the hand up in there. I like it. Man, whoever got this, congrats. That's all I gotta say. If this ain't the piece of the year, I don't know what is. Because it's just well executed, awesome design, awesome concept idea. It is just done perfectly. That goes in there like that. All right. I mean, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So everything is on point except for that sentinel hand that came off and broke. It's broke, basically. And but overall, when this all comes together, this is going to be fantastic. And I can't wait to have it out, show you guys, review it, and give you the details on it, maybe a little background story of the Fastball special. Thanks for joining me. Stay tuned. More coming from Statue Matinee. More reviews. Check me out on YouTube. Wherever else you want to go. Peace.